Hello, everybody. Welcome back for your week 25 of PE. So, we are continuing on with our bicycle safety. So, let's take a look at your warm up first. For your warm up, you're going to do this rock, paper, scissors fitness battle. So, basically, you are going to play rock, paper, scissors against the computer. And then, based on your win, loss, or tie, you're going to do the exercise that's provided. So, that's your warm up. You're going to do your scavenger hunt today, right? So you've done these the past couple weeks. Um, so you're going to touch as many of these objects in your house as you can within the time limits. Okay. And then we are here at school continuing to work on our bicycle safety. And this week we are doing what's called rock dodge. And in rock dodge, we are going to be working on surface hazards. And we know that rocks can be a surface hazard when we are riding our bikes. And so I am going to put down some beanbags on our course today. And the students are going to be working on zigzagging and going around and in between those beanbags without touching them. So we're working on how to maintain control of our beanbags, or I'm sorry, our handlebars, as we maneuver them in different directions, sideways, maintaining our balance. Um, so if you have the opportunity to go out and ride today during this time, you would want to take some objects. They could be anything. They could be rocks, sticks, bean bags, plates, anything that you find that you could put down to work on zigzagging through those objects and maintaining your balance. We're also going to continue to work on our left-hand turn and stopping at the stop sign. So, as I've said before, if you can go out during this time and ride and practice those things, great. If you need to wait till later to go out and practice, that's okay too. So in the meantime, I always provide you with something else to do just in case you're not able to get out and ride your bike. So that's why I provided you with the scavenger hunt. And then I also am going to give you this crossword puzzle to work on. Get it to go here. Hang on one second. So you are going to do this crossword puzzle. So I'm trying to just keep you in loop with the bikes. So answer the questions and write the word in the correct space for each number. So you're going to go through and read the items. So what you must watch out for this when you enter a street. So it's number 5, going across. Right. So think about, what do you need to look for before you cross the street? That answer should fit right in here. I would suggest that after you answer each crossword puzzle question, that you do 10 of some type of exercise. So after I do this one, take a break, do 10 jumping jacks, right? Then move on to your next one, so that you're getting some movement in as well while answering the questions to the crossword puzzle. All right, so that is going to wrap up your PE time for this week, right? Next week will be our last week on the bikes, and then we'll be moving on to our new unit. So I hope you have a great time this week working on those bike safety skills and practicing different ways to keep yourself safe while riding your bike. All right, have a great week. I'll see you next week. Bye.